A taste of comfort. Discovering pilau. Pilau is a rice dish loved by many. It's warm, comforting, and full of flavor. People all over the world enjoy pilau. You can customize it with different ingredients. This makes pilau perfect for any meal. Whether you are new to cooking or experienced, pilau is a great dish to try. It's simple to make and always satisfying. Let's learn how to make this delicious dish. Gathering your pilau essentials. Making pilau is easy. You need a few basic ingredients. The most important ingredient is rice, preferably basmati. You also need onions, garlic, and spices. Common spices are cumin, coriander, and turmeric. These spices give pilau its warm and aromatic flavor. Don't be afraid to adjust the spices to your liking. You can add more or less depending on your taste. Crafting your pilau, a step-by-step guide. Let's start cooking. First, rinse the rice until the water is clear. Then, heat oil in a pot and fry the onions until golden. Add garlic and spices and fry for a minute. Now, add the rice and toast it for a few minutes. Pour water or broth, bring to a boil, then simmer until the rice is cooked. Your pilau is ready. You can fluff it with a fork before serving. A world of pilau exploring variations. Pilau is very versatile. You can add different ingredients to create exciting variations. For meat lovers, chicken pilau is a great option. Simply add chicken pieces while frying the onions. Vegetable pilau is perfect for a vegetarian meal. Add your favorite vegetables like carrots, peas, and beans. For those who like it hot, spicy pilau is the answer. Add green chilies or chili powder while cooking. No matter how you make it, pilau is a delicious and satisfying dish that feels like home.